In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Canva in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and explore how to get this done efficiently using the tools available on Canva. First things first, you'll want to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button sitting at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that. Now, if you're not already logged into Canva, you'll need to enter your credentials. Canva makes this process super flexible. You can sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply by entering your email address. Choose whatever method is most convenient for you and you'll be all set to access your account. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to the document or design that contains the text you wish to flip. Take a moment to open up this design in your Canva workspace. Once you have it open, find the specific text box you want to rotate. Simply click on it to select it. You'll notice a small circular handle appear around the border of the selected text box. This is your rotation handle. By clicking and holding this circle, you can now rotate the text box to suit your needs. To make a rotation, click and drag the handle. If you're aiming to flip the text, you'll likely want to rotate the text box by approximately 180 degrees. You can do this manually by rotating until you reach the edge of the inverted position. Alternatively, Canva does offer rotation tools where you can type in the degree of rotation for a more precise result. This means if you're looking for an exact flip, typing in 180 degrees can ensure you achieve a perfectly mirrored effect. It's worth noting, however, that while Canva provides a wealth of creative tools, its features for flipping text are somewhat limited compared to those available for images. At this moment, direct mirroring of text isn't an option within Canva. This means whilst you can rotate to achieve a flipped look, the toolset doesn't include a straightforward mirror tool like the one you might use for images. In conclusion, while flipping text using Canva requires some manual adjustments, it's definitely doable with the steps we've covered today. I hope this guide has helped you understand the process, and you're now ready to create interesting and visually appealing designs with flipped text. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.